ka-chismis trend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Muling naglabas ng kanyang saloobin ang aktor na si Alden Richards sa kanyang latest interview. Kung saan dito ay sinabi ni Alden Richards at binahagi niya ang tila pagpaparinig sa mga isyu ngayon sa gobyerno. Ayon kay Alden ay sariling pera di umano niya at pinag-ipunan ang mga ginagastos niya sa kanyang mga negosyo. Narito ang buong detalye ng nasabing interview ni Alden. Let's watch this.
Sa Manila na
Dito
ba?
pa rin. Dito pa rin.
Manila.
Secret lang kung saan.
Oh.
Malalaman nyo rin yan
Okay.
soon. Yes, yes.
What about yung interior? Like, ano yung theme? Like, yung
Everything is
ambience?
Italian.
Okay.
And disclaimer, everything came from hard-earned money
Okay.
and clean money. So, hindi tayo sasabit dyan. So, but yeah, I mean, ngayon nga, when the team and I, like Pat and I talk about how I wanted my new home to look like and how it's gonna be done. Parang this is the first time kasi that I'm really doing something for myself. I mean, yung bahay kasi namin sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, we specifically had that house made for my family, for my families, especially my grandparents live with me. So I really had to have one bedroom sa baba, and then I had to configure everything for the needs of my family. But right now, it's just so rewarding, and it just feels so good to have to work on something that's for myself naman. Because syempre, ganun kasi ako, parang unahin ko muna yung the ones that's close to me before myself. But I think this is the right time for me to be able to do it for myself naman. Kaya I'm just so happy with this journey, building a place that I can actually call my home.
But you experience on the living room. So this
Yes,
time around,
yes.
is it parang condo pa rin?
No, it's a house. It's a house, yes. Kasi parang, of course, I really appreciated living in a condominium. But eventually, kasi parang, there are concerns with, yung earthquakes and natural phenomenons. Parang medyo unsure ako, even though, the building is reinforced with a lot of state-of-the-art safety precautions. It's still different to live sa land properties. And I think I've lived in the condominium for almost 5 years, and then right now parang it's about time. Tira naman ako sa bahay talaga, pero dito pa rin sa Manila.
Curious story.
Bungalow.
Oh,
Bungalow.
And curious lang, is this para for your bachelor era? Or para na-foresee mo na dito ka?
Yes. Ako,
tatanda?
I don't, of course, I plan for the future, but there are certain things in my life right now na I live by the moment. Na parang right now, this is what's at hand, just the new home. And then, ginawa ko siya based on what I wanted it to look like at the moment, and not preparing for the future. In that aspect, yung having a family and settling down. We can go there with the house design, but right now it's really configured for me.
Yes. In terms of interiors, parang ano yung mga non-negotiables?
Interiors na negotiables. Meron ba? Hindi lang naman bahay ko eh.
May dirty kitchen ka pa ba?
Sa awa ng Diyos, meron namang dirty kitchen. But for me, siguro, ang non-negotiable space. I want a lot of spaces. I don't want cluttered rooms and areas in my home. Minimalist kasi ako eh. And ang kinaganda kasi ng minimalist, mas madaling maglinis ng bahay.
Okay.
So that's a non-nego for me. I don't want cluttered design. Ayoko yung maraming nangyayari, yung magulo. What I want is something that I can wake up every morning, and thank God for another day na walang masyadong marami nangyayari sa paligid ko. And that's how the house looks like right now. Actually, I have it all rendered already. Secret lang muna.
Okay, so speaking of... Sorry. So speaking of minimalist, so what about the color? Is it more on color? Black, white, beige?
Muted tones, muted
Okay.
earth tones.
Okay.
Walang loud. Siguro magkakaroon lang loud when it comes to art pieces. Pero, Patty and I made sure na it's not gonna be an eyesore for guests eventually. Pero kagaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, hindi kasi ako talaga mahilig mag-invite. I only invite important people in my home, and the ones that really matter. So I'm not a fan of hosting. Hindi medyo nakakapagod siya in a sense. But every now and then maybe, but I don't do it oftenly. I just do it pag, if ever the situation calls for it.
And then how about, how does it feel living the life? Siyempre, it's really personal for you na may bago kang home.
Yes.
How does it feel for living the life?
Masaya. It's very liberating. Actually, being able to, nag-start lang naman yung moving out of the family home was during 2019, yung pandemic. So that moment, medyo may ganun na siyang feeling. But right now kasi, it's, of course, I'm gearing towards, an older age. And then, yung specifications ng bahay na and ng area na gusto kong pagtiran is of course accustomed to my needs. And kagaya nga, this house has its own bike room. So it has its own cycling room. Yun ang isa sa mga pinalagay ko. And it's also gonna be my gym. So syempre, yung health talaga yun ang dapat kung pinag-i-investan at the moment because medyo busy tayo, sunod-sunod. So we can't really be sick. Health is luxury for me.
What are your favorite spaces?
Favorite spaces? Ako, any room basta may beanbag. Kasi yung beanbag kasi, number one, dali niyang ayusin because I have OCD. And then, ang dali niyang ayusin at the same time, at comfortable siya as long as it's full coverage kung katawan mo yung nakasink into the beanbag. So, yun, any room na may ganun, that's the place for me. Kasi minsan, most of the time, whenever during my downtimes, I don't wanna lay on my bed if I'm not gonna be sleeping. Kasi naayos ko yan parang hotel finish yung mga kama ko palagi whenever I fix it.
You mentioned na render na yung design.
Yes.
So currently, ano yung nilolook forward mo area?
Of course, the bike room, and the sala. Of course, yung sala,
Usually room, di ba?
usually bedroom, basta bike room.
Ayon sa mga netizen, ang pinatatamaan di umano ni Alden Richard ay walang iba kung hindi si Arjo Atayde. Yan ang kanilang komento. Matatandaan na nadawit si Arjo Atayde sa issue ng bansa ngayon. Naglabas naman siya ng kanyang pahayag at itinanggi ang akusasyon sa kanya. Dagdag pa ni Alden Richard sa kanyang interview ay nagsumikap siya upang magkaroon ng sariling puhunan para sa kanyang mga negosyo na kinahaharap at binubuksan ngayon. Kayo mga ka-chismis dyan, ano ang opinion nyo sa usapin na ito? Comment down below, and if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell para mas updated ka ka-chismis dyan. Thank you for watching!